Okay, looks like we might have a problem, Houston. Now I've got the Mini 2, the Mini Mavic, the Mini 2S, the Mini 3 obviously, the 3 Classic, the 3 Pro, Mavic 3 Air 2S, the Mavic Air. But where's the Mavic Mini gone? So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing today, I've got my Mavic Mini. Now the Mavic Mini was the first mini drone, 249 grams. Obviously we had the Spark, but this was the first lightweight drone that came out in the market quite a few years ago. I bought this. I'll be honest, I wasn't that particularly pleased with it. It didn't cope very well at all in the wind, and the signal distance thing wasn't very good. But in today's video, I want to show you using one of the third-party apps. I'm talking about the Mavic app, so I think it's the best one for tracking, but I'm on about the following mode, and I've got to use a car, and we've got a bit of a rough terrain here, so it'll be a good test for this type of drone. There's no wind that I can feel, so I know it can cope with it. I will show you a tip as well before we get it going, because it has to be binded to my RCN1, which I know it isn't. At the moment I've got my Mini 2 binded to it, so that's another thing. I'll show you that tip in a minute. So the first thing you do, guys, obviously you turn on your RCN1 and the Mini 2. No, the Mavic Mini I should say. And what we need to do then is go in, don't go straight into the Mavic app straight away, go into your DJI Fly app first, which is there. You've got a lot of bikers there. Right, and it's a connection guide. So then we scroll along all the drones that you've got now on the Fly app, I should say. Is it going to be there? We're getting there. It is the very last one. So opens it up. The connection's on. What it's going to do, it's going to come up to say, press the switch, which I'll show you in a moment. Ah, I know what it is. You've got to have the cable in. Right. My mistake that was. Okay, so what it's done now, I've got Mavic Air 2 on this. Okay. The Mini 2 on this? No, it's not on there. Okay. Okay, looks like we might have a problem, Houston. Now I've got the Mini 2, the Mini Mavic, the Mini 2S, the Mini 3 obviously, the 3 Classic, the 3 Pro, Mavic 3 Air 2S, the Mavic Air. But where's the Mavic Mini gone? So, I wonder where that's gone. That's interesting, because I wanted to do a video on the Mavic Mini, trying to follow the car, but it didn't work. So I'll see when I get back home, look on the computer and see what's happened, because to be honest, it was on here and it's disappeared somehow. Looks like they've deleted it for some reason. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that, because I didn't. Catch you on another video very soon.